Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about progression, very short answer questions, 2 mark questions, and short answer questions, that is 4 mark questions. Okay, coming to question number 1, find the 10th term of an AP. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 and so on. They are asking to find which term? 10th term of an AP. Right? So children, here what is the first term? As we know that in an AP, first term we call it as A, which is equal to 5. And then we need to find the common difference, that is called as D. How to find the common difference? Difference between two successive terms. D equal to, what is the formula? A2 minus A1. So this is our first term A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term A4. So how to find the common difference? Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. The formula is A2 minus A1, as A2 value 1 minus A1 value 5. 1 minus 5, which is equal to minus 4, right? Now the thing is, we have to find 10th term of an AP. What is the 10th term of an AP? A10 equal to A plus 90. Children, how you got A plus 90? As we know that nth term of an AP, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our nth term of an AP formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. As they are asking 10th term, right? So n value how much? 10. So A10 equal to A plus, in the place of n, I should write 10 minus 1 into D. So A plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to how much? 9. So 10th term of an AP is A plus 90. Okay? As we know that the value of A, as the value of A is 5 plus 9 into the value of D is minus 4. So 5 plus into minus minus, 9 4 jar 36. So 5 minus 36, that is equal to how much, children? Which is equal to minus 31. So what is the 10th term of an AP? As the 10th term of an AP, A10 equal to minus 31. Is it clear, children? Now, the same method question, find the 11th term of an AP. 11th term of an AP. As the given sequence is 15, 12, 9 and so on. So here, first term is 15 and this is our first term A1, A2, A3 and so on. Right? So how to find common difference? Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. As the value of A2 is 12 minus A1 value is 15. So 12 minus 15, that is equal to minus 3. Now the thing is, we have to find the 11th term of an AP. A11 equal to A plus 10D. What is the 11th term of an AP? A11 equal to A plus 10D. Right? So A value is 15 plus 10 into D value is minus 3. Okay, children. So 15 plus into minus, minus 10 3s are 30. So 15 minus 30, which is equal to how much, children? Minus 13. So what is the 11th term of an AP? A11 equal to minus 15. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now coming to third question. The nth term of an AP is 6n plus 2. What is given? Nth term of an AP equal to 6n plus 2. And they are asking to find the common difference. Right? As we know that, how to find common difference? Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. If we know the terms and first term, second term, we can find the common difference. Children, as it is given, nth term is 6n plus 2. So first let us find the first term. In the place of n you write down 1 because we are finding first term. So 6 into 1 plus 2. As 6 1 are 6 plus 2. So which is equal to how much? 8. So children, what is the first term? A1 equal to 8. Now let us find the second term. I mean, in place of n we need to write 2. So 6 into 2 plus 2. As 6 2 are 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 14. So second term how much? 14. You can find a third term, fourth term, fifth term as in the place of n you have to substitute 3, 4, 5 respectively, right? As they are asking to find the common difference, d equal to a2 minus a1. As the value of a2 is 14 minus 8. So 14 minus 8 how much, children? Which is equal to 6. So common difference equal to 6. Is it clear? Now coming to fourth question. In AP, nth term Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the nth term of an AP formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Explain each term in it. Explain each term in it. So first one is what? As we have a here, nth term Tn is given a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a here? A is called first term. What is a here? A is called first term. N equal to next n equal to number of terms. And what is d? D equal to, we know that common difference. D equal to common difference and Tn equal to nth term, children. Is it clear? Each and every term in an AP, and the term Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn, children? Which is called nth term. A first term, n number of terms, and d is common difference. Children, is it clear? These 4 questions. We'll discuss few more questions now. Now coming to fifth question. Is the sequence root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 form an AP? Give reason. When can we say that the given sequence is in AP? If the common difference d is constant, then we can say that given sequence is in AP, right? So as the given sequence is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on, right? So this is our A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term A4. So as we have to find common difference D, that is A2 minus A1, which implies A2 is root 6 minus A1 is root 3, right? How can I write as root 6? I can write as 6 I can write as 2 into 3 minus root 3. Again I can write as root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. If I take root 3 as common, I will get root 2 minus 1. Okay, that is our D, which is equal to root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, also we have another formula, common difference D equal to, we can also write it as A3 minus A2. So what is A3? Which implies root 9 minus root 6. What do you mean by root 9, children? As root 9 is 3 minus root 6. Okay. See now, as here we got common difference D equal to root 3 into root 2 minus 1. But whereas in second case common difference D equal to 3 minus root 6. Is the common difference is same? Is it A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2? No, children. As A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given sequence is not in AP. Is it clear, children? Why the given sequence is not in AP? As the common difference D, which is A2 minus A1, is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given sequence not forms an AP. Is it clear? Yes. Now coming to question number 6. For the AP minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, can we find directly A30 minus A20 without actually finding A30 minus A20? Yes, of course we can find. How can you find A30 minus A20? Children, we know that A30 in the sense A plus 2090, right? Minus A20 in the sense A plus 19D. Yes or no? Now let us open the bracket. A plus 29D minus A minus 19D plus A minus A gets cancelled. 29D minus 19D, 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus, which is equal to 10D. Children, what is D? As the given sequence is minus 3, minus 7, minus 11 and so on. As the first term is minus 3, common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, minus 7 minus of minus 3, minus 7 minus into minus plus, minus 7 plus 3, that is equal to minus 4. So 10 into minus 4. So 10 into minus 4. Plus into minus minus, 10 4 ja 40. So without finding actually A30 minus A20, we can find the value of A30 minus A20. Now coming to question number 7. Radha says 1, 1, 1 and so on are in AP. Do you agree with Radha? Give reason. Okay. What is the given sequence? 1, 1, 1 and so on. So children, what is the first term here? As the first term is 1. And what is the common difference? D equal to A2 minus A1. 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Also, we can find A3 minus A2. As the value of A3 is 1, A1 also 1. 1 minus 1, 0. See, as the common difference is constant, hence we can say that. Do you agree with Radha? Yes. Give reason. Because common difference, that is called D, is constant. Right? Therefore, the given sequence forms an AP. Right? Now, coming to question number 8. If the 17th term of an AP exceeds 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Exceeds its 10th term. If the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 14, find the common difference. Try to understand the statement, children. 17th term of an AP means A17. Exceeds means more. How much more? 14 by its 10th term. Did you understand the statement? 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 14. So A17 equal to A10 plus 14. Right? So what is the 17th term of an AP? Which is A plus 16D, and 10th term of an AP is A plus 9D plus 14. As A gets cancelled, 16D plus 9D you transpose, minus 9D equal to 14. So 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7. 7D equal to 14. So 7 table, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So what is the common difference? As the common difference, D equal to 2. Children, did you understand? I transpose 9D towards left hand side, 16D minus 9D, that is 7D. In 7 table, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So 1 into D equal to 2. Is it clear? As so far we have discussed 8 questions. Okay. Now coming to 9th question. The 10th term of an AP is 52. What is given? 10th term is given 52. And 16th term of an AP is 82. Then find 32nd term. Children, we know that what is the 10th term of an AP? 10th term of an AP is A plus 9D is given 52. And 16th term of an AP is A plus 15d equal to 82. Is it clear, children? What is the equation number 1? 10th term of an AP. A plus 9d equal to 52. What is equation number 2? 16th term of an AP. A plus 15d equal to 82. Now we need to solve these two equations, right? Minus, minus, minus. Plus a minus a gets cancelled. 9d minus 15d, which is equal to minus 6d, equal to 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 5, 30. Which 30? Minus 30. So minus gets cancelled. D equal to 30 divided by 6. 6 1 jar, 6 5 jar. So what is the value of D? As the value of D is 5. Okay. Now substitute D equal to 5 in equation number 1. You will get A value. Okay. Put D equal to 5 in equation number 1. As equation number 1 is A plus 9D equal to 52. We got the value of D is 5. A plus 9 into 5 equal to 52. As A plus 9 5 is 45 equal to 52. So A equal to 52 minus 45. 12 minus 5, 7. So what is the value of A? As the value of A is 7. Is it clear, children? What we did? We substituted D equal to 5 in equation number 1. 9 5 is 45. Transpose minus 45, 52 minus 45, that is A equal to 7. We got the value of D as well as A. Now what to do? We have to find the 32nd term. 32nd means A32. A32 equal to A plus 31D. As the value of A is 7 plus 3 into D value is 5. Right? So 7 plus 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. 155 plus 6, 7, which is equal to 162. So children, what is the 32nd term of an AP? Which is equal to 162. Right? Now coming to 10th question. If 7 times 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times 11th term of an AP. So which is an important question, children? What is the question? 7 times 7th term of an AP. 7 times means 7 into 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times 11th term of an AP. Then find 18th term of that AP. Try to understand the question. 7 times means 7 into 7th term means A7 equal to 11 times means 11 into 11th term of an AP means A11. Right? So 7 into 7th term of an AP is A plus 6D equal to 11 into 11th term of an AP is A plus 10D. Is it clear, children? 7th term means A plus 6D. 11th term means A plus 10D. So let us apply distributive property. 7A plus 7 6 are 42D equal to 11A plus 11 10 are 110D. Transpose. What we will do? 7A plus 11A transpose minus 11A, 110D plus 42 U transpose minus 42D. 7A minus 11A, that is equal to minus 4A equal to 10 minus 2 8, 13 minus 4 110 minus 42, which is equal to how much? So let us subtract. 110 minus 42, 10 minus 2 8, here 10 minus 4 6, sorry, which is equal to 68D. Right? Now as minus 4 is multiplying, or else what you do, you transpose 68D this side. Minus 4A minus 68D equal to 0. What I want to do, I want to take minus 4 as common. Minus 4 into A, minus 4A, minus into plus, minus 4 17 are 68. As minus 4 is multiplying, you transpose that side. So A plus 17D equal to 0 by minus 4. So A plus 17D equal to 0 by something, 0 only. So children, what is a plus 17d? A plus 17d is nothing but which term? 18th term or not? Indirectly, we got 18th term. So which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 0. They are asking to find the 18th term of that AP. 18th term of that AP is 0. Once again children. So 7 into a 7a plus 7 6 are 42d equal to 11 into a 11a plus 11 10 are 110d. So 7a plus 11a transpose minus 11a, 110d plus 42d transpose minus 42d. 7a minus 11a minus 4a equal to 110 minus 42, 68. So plus 68d you transpose minus 68d. Minus 4 we took common, minus 4 into a minus 4a, minus into plus minus 4 17 job. Minus 4 if you transpose 0 by minus 4. 0 by something, 0 only. So we got a plus 17d. A plus 17d is nothing but what? Which is 18th term. So 18th term of an AP is 0. Right? Now coming to 11th question. Find the 7th term from the end of the AP. Children, try to understand the question and you have to read the question properly. Find the 7th term from the end of the AP. I mean from here. Okay. Now let me explain. As the given sequence is 7, 10, 13 and so on 184. What is the common difference? Can you find out? As yes, first term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3 and so on. This is nth term. Okay. We have different method. Let me explain simple method. Okay. No need of confusing because they are asking from the end of the AP. Here common difference is 10 minus 7 3. 13 minus 10 3. Right. So 1 here what you will get if I write 7, 10, 13 and so on. Here I will get 181 and then 184, right? Because common difference is how much? 10 minus 7 3, 13 minus 10 3, 184 minus 181 you will get 3. Okay. Now because they are asking from the end of the AP, first let me write 184 and then 181 and then 13, 10, 7. Children, did you understand what I did? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశారంటే నేను because they are asking in 7th term from the end of the AP. నేను ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేశాను n term ని ఫస్ట్ చేసుకొని సీక్వెన్స్ ని ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకున్నా. Now as usual how to find previously how you used to find in the same manner we have to find here. So here first term is 184 because they are asking 7th term. 7th term means a plus 6d, right? That implies a value 184 plus 6 into, can you find, say me what is the value of d? Your d value is not plus 3 which is minus 3 it will become now 181 minus 184, right? Or else 7 minus 10 or else 10 minus 13, right? Here common difference will become minus 3 children. So 184 minus 6 3s are 18. So from 184 you subtract 18. 14 minus 8 6, 7 minus 1 6, which is equal to how much? 166. Children, is it clear what I did? From the end of the AP they are asking. అందుకోసం 184 first, దానికి ముందు ఉండే term 181. So now common difference is minus 3. క్వశ్చన్ జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Because they are asking 7th term a plus 6d. A means 184 plus 6 into d value minus 3. Plus into minus minus 6 3 is 18. 184 minus 18 166. Right? So that is our 11th question. Now coming to 12th question. Find the value of k. They are asking to find the value of k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. 3 consecutive terms of an AP. If they are consecutive terms of an AP, so if this is A1, A2, A3. They are the consecutive terms of an AP means what? Whose common difference must be same. Common difference means A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2. I mean second term minus first term must be equal to third term minus second term. So second term is 4k minus 6 minus first term is k plus 2 equal to third term is 3k minus 2 minus second term is 4k minus 6. 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2 equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k minus into minus plus. 4k minus k, 3k minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. 3k minus 4k minus k, 6 minus 2, that is plus 4. Now what we will do, let us transpose 3k minus k if you transpose plus k equal to 4 minus 8 you transpose plus 8. 3k plus k, that is 4k equal to 4 plus 8, 12. So k equal to 12 divided by 4, 4 1 jar, 4 3 jar. So what is the value of k? As the value of k is 3 children. Is it clear children? Simply addition subtraction only and transposing the terms. So this is our 12th question. Is it clear children? Now coming to 13th question, find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. What they are asking children? They are asking to find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. You know children, what is the sum of first n terms of an AP? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or also we can use one more formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Okay, and in this chapter we will use these three formulas mostly. Nth term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of n terms of an AP is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or else we can also use this formula, n by 2 into a plus n. Okay children, here what is the given sequence? As the given sequence is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. So what is our first term? A equal to 3. Next we have to find common difference, d equal to a2 minus a1, 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. Okay, because they are asking to find sum of first 10 terms of an AP. S10 they are asking. Here what is the value of n? As the value of n is 10, right? We know the formula, Sn equal to what is the formula? N by 2. N value 10 by 2 into 2a, 2 into a. A value how much? 3 plus n minus 1. N value 10 minus 1 into d value 12. 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar. So 5 into 2 3 jar, 6 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9 into 12. So 5 into 6 plus 12 9 jar, 108. So 5 into 108 plus 6, that is 114, right? Now 5 into 114. 5 4 jar, 20. 5 1 jar 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 1 jar 5. So what is the sum of first 10 terms of an AP? S10 equal to 517. Is it clear children? Sum of first 10 terms of an AP. Sn equal to what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they are asking to find the sum of first 10 terms. So S10 equal to how much? 570. Okay children, these are the types of problems they are asking in public examinations. Children, after watching the video, once you try to solve the problems. Without solving, by seeing you won't get at all. Once if you practice, you will get it. Okay children? So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends children. Thank you.